Experiencing a delay after upgrading your Verizon plan? You're not alone. Since a system overhaul in 2025, many users have reported that upgrades to plans like 5G Unlimited or adding features like 5G Home Internet aren't immediately reflected in their accounts, billing, or the My Verizon app. This is due to latency in data synchronization following the integration of AI driven billing and a move to cloud infrastructure. The core issue is data propagation within Verizon systems. When you upgrade, your subscriber profile needs updating across multiple platforms: the billing engine, which is Oracle based, the My Verizon app backend, and even third party services like Disney Plus. Upgrades can take 24 to 72 hours to fully sync due to batch processing schedules, especially during peak times like the end of billing cycles. Other causes include mismatched device IMEI numbers, incomplete payment processing, and conflicting promotions. These delays can lead to several issues. First, you might see incorrect data usage information displayed in your Verizon app or on your device, showing outdated or inaccurate statistics about how much data you've used. Second, you might experience throttling or reduced speeds on your connection, even if you've upgraded to an unlimited plan. This happens because the network hasn't recognized your new plan yet, treating you as if you're on a lower tier. Third, billing errors can occur, including incorrect charges or overbilling. You might see error messages about billing issues or receive charges that don't match your upgraded plan, potentially leading to disputes and extra fees. Finally, until the upgrade reflects properly, your overall service may not perform as expected. This can result in service disruptions, dropped connections, or other issues, leading to frustration and inconvenience in your daily activities. While Verizon works on resolving upgrade reflection delays, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take yourself. These can often fix the issue quickly without waiting for technical support. First, clear the cache in your My Verizon app. This refreshes the app's stored data and can resolve display issues with your plan upgrades. If clearing the cache doesn't work, try logging out of the app completely and then logging back in. This forces a fresh connection to Verizon's servers. Next, use Verizon's live chat feature within the app. This allows you to connect with a representative who can manually verify and confirm your plan upgrade. Finally, Verizon is piloting an AI chatbot that can automate many fixes and reduce resolution times by up to 30% in beta programs. This tool helps address common upgrade issues quickly. If these steps don't resolve the issue, contact Verizon's customer support for additional help. These troubleshooting methods can save time and get your upgrades reflecting properly sooner. Verizon acknowledges the issue and reports a 15% increase in customer service tickets related to these delays. They are aiming to automate 70% of support interactions as part of their AI First Telecom initiative. By 2027, Verizon plans to implement blockchain-based ledger systems for instant upgrade confirmations, potentially reducing delays by 90%. During the 2025 holiday season, over 500,000 Verizon customers experienced significant delays when upgrading to 5G Unlimited Plus plans. These delays occurred during Black Friday promotions and led to billing disputes, as customers were charged incorrectly until the upgrades took effect. Verizon responded by issuing refunds to affected customers and releasing a firmware update for their app and billing systems. This resolved most issues within 48 hours, demonstrating their commitment to fixing upgrade problems. In rural areas of the United States, where 5G coverage can be limited, customers upgrading to Verizon's 5G home internet service have encountered significant delays. These upgrades are often needed for modern applications like smart farming technologies. The technical cause of these delays is often related to satellite backhaul in Verizon's hybrid network infrastructure. Data synchronization between satellites, ground stations, and user devices can take several days to complete. These delays have real impacts on users, such as farmers relying on 5G home for smart farming tools like agrobots, survey drones, and GPS-guided tractors. Extended downtime can disrupt operations, and in severe cases has led to class action lawsuits settled with credits and compensation. Experts note that while Verizon's technology is strong, training gaps contribute to the problem. JD Power's 2026 survey showed a 5% decrease in Verizon's billing accuracy score due to these upgrade delays. Consumer advocates recommend documenting any issues and filing complaints with the FCC if necessary. A Pew Research poll indicated that 40% of affected users switched providers, highlighting the competitive impact. Looking ahead, expect to see improvements in upgrade reflection times. Verizon aims to reduce incidents by 50% by 2028 through AI enhancements. However, challenges like data privacy regulations may impact the speed of adoption. In the meantime, be patient, document any issues, and leverage self-service tools and live chat for assistance. Stay informed and utilize available support options.